Let's say you work in California. My name is Adam Gonnelli and I handle labor and employment issues all over the country. If you work in California, there's a couple of things you need to know about your rights. First is that California is a very good state for workers as compared with the rest of the country, and there are some additional protections that you're entitled to. What you need to know first is that your minimum wage in California is higher. Your minimum wage in California is $8 an hour, which is as opposed to $7.25 in the rest of the country. And also there are a couple of cities in California that have an even higher minimum wage. For example, San Francisco has the highest minimum wage in the country at $10.55 an hour. San Jose, it's at $10 an hour. The next thing you need to know is about your overtime rights. Normally you're entitled to time and a half if you work over 40 hours in a week. That's all over the country. But in California, you're also entitled to time and a half every time you work over 8 hours in a day. And if you work over 12 hours in a day, you're entitled to double time. Now, another thing you need to know if you work in the state of California is that if you're fired or laid off, your employer is required to give you whatever pay you're owed within 72 hours of your departure. That's different from the rest of the country and under federal law. And the last thing you should know if you work in California is that under California law, you're entitled to breaks. You're entitled to 30 minutes every 5 hours that you work, and also entitled to 10 minutes for every 4 hours that you work. Now, why do you need to know this information? If you work in California and you have questions about these, or you think you're not getting all the rights you're entitled to, here's what I want you to do. I want you to pick up the phone and call us. We handle these issues all over the country, and we're happy to talk to you and help if we can. I'm Adam Gonnelli. I'm a labor lawyer, and thanks for watching.